Welcome to the Health Journey channel. Today, we're delving into the incredible benefits of beetroot and exploring some important warnings backed by science. Beetroot, also known simply as beets, is a vibrant root vegetable that boasts an impressive array of health benefits. Let's dive into why you might want to consider adding more beetroots to your diet. Benefits of beetroot. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Beetroots are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin C, potassium, folate, and manganese. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting overall health and well-being. 2. Rich in antioxidants. One of the standout features of beetroot is its high antioxidant content, particularly betalains. These potent antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, contributing to better health outcomes. 3. Enhanced exercise. Performance. Research suggests that consuming beetroot juice can enhance athletic performance and endurance. This is attributed to the nitrate content in beetroot, which improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, allowing for better performance during exercise. 4. Heart health support. Regular consumption of beetroot has been linked to lower blood pressure and improved cardiovascular health. The nitrates in beetroot help dilate blood vessels, promoting better circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease. 5. Digestive health promotion. With its significant fiber content, beetroot supports digestive regularity and promotes a healthy gut environment. Fiber is essential for maintaining bowel regularity and preventing constipation. 6. Potential cancer protection. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in beetroot may have anti-cancer properties. Betalains in particular have been studied for their potential to inhibit cancer cell growth, although more research is needed in this area. 7. Brain-boosting benefits. Beetroot contains compounds that may support brain health and cognitive function. Research indicates that the nitrates in beetroot may improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive performance. Warnings and considerations. While beetroot offers a plethora of health benefits, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. 1. Bacteria. Consuming large amounts of beetroot can lead to a harmless condition called bacteria, where urine or stool may turn red or pink. This is completely normal and harmless, but may cause alarm if unexpected. 2. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to beetroot or experience digestive discomfort when consuming it in large quantities. If you have a known allergy to beets or experience any adverse reactions, it's essential to avoid consuming them and seek medical advice. 3. Oxalate content. Beetroot contains oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones or are at risk for developing them, it's advisable to moderate your beetroot intake and consult with a healthcare professional. Incorporating beetroot into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your health journey. Whether enjoyed raw, cooked, or in juice form, the versatility of beetroot makes it easy to reap its many benefits. Remember to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions regarding your beetroot consumption. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to the Health Journey channel for more insightful content on nutrition, wellness, and healthy living. What are your thoughts on beetroot? Have you experienced any of its benefits firsthand? Let us know in the comments below.